Good morning, children. Today's date is 23rd November. The year is 2021. Today's day is Tuesday, and in our phonics class, we'll be learning sound of a new letter. Learning sound of letter Y. Yes, you're almost nearing the end of alphabets. So we reached letter Y now. The name of the letter is Y. So the big one here that you see is the capital Y, the big Y. And this is the lowercase letter y in the printed format, the way you see it in print. Yes, when you're reading a book, on a computer, when you're typing it. Yes, this is the way letter Y appears in the lowercase format. And this is the capital Y, the big Y. And now coming to the important part, the sound. Yes, so the name of the letter is Y, and the sound for this letter is Y. Y. Can you say it together? Y. This again is lowercase letter Y. Yes, this is the cursive lowercase letter Y, the way we will learn how to write it in our book. Yes, we'll be learning how to write it next week. For today, let's focus on the sound. So the sound for this letter is Y. So the sound for letter Y is Y. And Y. So we have Y. Yacht. This is like a big ship. It's called a yacht. Yo-yo. You must have played with this. Yo-yo. Then we have yam. Yes, yam is something very similar to a sweet potato. Yes, so it's a vegetable which we cook in it, very similar to a sweet potato. Then we have yolk. Yes, you must have seen the egg yolk. Yes, the yellow part of the egg. Yes, that's called the yolk. So we have yacht, yo-yo, yam, yolk. Animal, yak. You all know this, yes? It's an exercise which you see your parents doing, your grandparents doing it, and you should be doing it every day. Yoga, yoga. This child is performing some nice yoga asanas. Then we have yogurt, yarn. Yes, now that's going to be winter. Yes, and all of you are removing your sweaters now, your warm clothes. Yes, the sweater is made of yarn. Yarn. So let's just have a quick look again. Yak, yoga, yogurt, yarn. Yes. All these pictures here began with the sound Y. Yes, with the letter Y. Coming to your homework sheet. Yes, you can either take a printout of the sheet or copy this sheet in your literacy notebook. If you're taking a printout, please complete it and attach it to your literacy notebook. Yes, so it should not get misplaced. Okay, so now coming to the sheet, let's revise the sound of letter Y. Yes, so what's the sound for letter Y? The sound for letter Y is Y, as in yo-yo, Y, yellow. Yes, it's the name of a color. See, this is yellow color. Y, yellow, Y, yo-yo. So here you can see few pictures. So you recognize what picture it is of. And if it starts with the sound Y, you color it. And if it does not start with the sound Y, just leave it. Okay, let's start. This one, I told you it's an animal. Yak. Yes, the name of this animal is yak. Another word, yak. What do you think is the beginning sound here? Yak. Yak. Yes, so you can circle and color this picture, not circle, sorry. Color the picture of the yak. Then we have sun. Now the beginning sound in the word sun. Is it here? No, the beginning sound is s. So do not color it. The next is the middle part of the egg. We just saw the middle part of the egg is called a yolk. Yolk. Yes, it begins with the sound y. So you can color this picture. Next, I told you. Yes, now winter is just approaching. You all are removing your sweatshirts. Soon you'll be wearing your sweaters as well. Yes, so it is made of wool. It's made of yarn. Yarn. Yes, the beginning sound again is y. So you can color the picture of the yarn. Next is a picture of a kite. Kite. Yes, the beginning sound is the kick and not here. So we just leave it. Don't color this picture. Next, what is interesting? This girl is making some action. What do you think is she doing? What is she doing? Yes, she's yawning. When you're really tired or you're getting a little bit bored. Yes. You yawn. Yes, so that's the action of the girl. She's yawning. Yawn. Again, the beginning sound is y in the word yawn. So you can color this picture of the girl who is yawning. Okay, so you can complete this sheet and send it to me by tomorrow. Happy learning.